Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know about OPD management, means outpatient department. This is an add-on feature of Marg, which can be customized dynamically in other trades wherever there is an appointment system. Let's understand this in detail. First of all, we understand what is OPD management. In OPD management, suppose a patient comes and registers his or her name at reception and takes appointment, then goes to doctor for checkup, takes treatment and makes payment at reception, and after that leaves the clinic. This OPD management system can be used in appointment-based service. As we have discussed earlier, OPD management can be customized dynamically according to your trade, like gym, health clubs, spa, saloon or beauty parlors. Means you can use OPD management wherever there is an appointment system. Now let's understand OPD management through diagram. As you can see on the screen, first of all, a patient comes and takes an appointment. After taking an appointment, goes to doctor for checkup. Then doctor gives prescription to a patient, and after taking prescription, if doctor prescribes any test, then patient needs to get it done. And after that, patient makes payment at reception and leaves OPD. Now after this, let's understand benefits of OPD management. OPD management provides you user-friendly interface and you can customize it as per your business requirement. Apart from this, your all working gets computerized. You need not to maintain records manually. Means it reduces your manual work stress. The time required in manual work is saved, and you can also check your record on a single click. Now after that, let's understand the features of OPD management. First of all, you can customize OPD management as per your business requirement. As we have discussed earlier, you can customize OPD management in spa, gym, saloon, etc. Next, if you want, you can print your company logo on receipt. You can maintain doctor shift, and if you want, you can manage weekly schedule for doctor on the basis of doctor shift. You can maintain appointment process, and you can also manage prescription in OPD management, which is provided by doctors. You can also view your daily collection report and also print all types of reports in GUI and Excel. Now after that, let's see the process of OPD management. First of all, we create a setup for OPD management, then create a Miscellaneous Master, and under Miscellaneous Master, you can create doctor specialization, degree and insurance. Next, we create a Doctor Master, then create duty schedule for doctor. And after creating duty schedule, you can generate schedule report and takes print, then provides at reception so that receptionist could give the appointment to patient by viewing that report. After that, at reception, receptionist makes patient detail, then appointment process, and after this, doctor gives prescription, and after giving prescription, patient receipt is printed. You can generate prescription report, you can view doctor-wise report, daily collection report, and apart from this, if you have provided extra facility to your patient, then you can also view facility charge report. Now after that, let's see how this works in Marg software. First of all, you will go to Master's menu, then select Marg Setups, then select Control Room, and now here you will search OPD and enable the option OPD Management. To enable this option, click on this drop down button or press spacebar and select Y for yes. Now press escape key and save changes to yes. After this, you will go to Accounts menu. Then here you will see it adds an option OPD Management. Click on it. As you select the option, it opens Choose Business Type window. Press spacebar. And now from here you can select the business type according to your trade. For example, we select OPD. And one thing you will remember, once you select the business type from here, then you cannot change that later. So now we click on OK button. As you click on OK button, it appears main menu. For instance, we move on to the OPD management process. As I told you earlier, in OPD management, first we create setup. So from main menu, first select setup. Now you can see it appears setup window. Now in setup window, first you will click on edit button. Now here you can see the first option is show doctors in Dr. Master who left the job. It means if you want to show records of doctors who have left the job, then you will put check mark here. Otherwise, leave this checkbox unchecked. Next is total shifts for a doctor in a day. It means how many shifts does a doctor have in a single day. And you can set total 4 shifts for doctors in a single day. Next is titles for receipt. And here you can mention the address details of hospital which you want to print on receipt. Then next is display company logo on receipt. If you want to display company logo on receipt, click on yes button. Otherwise, click on no button. For now, we click on yes button. Then click on logo file button. And now from here, you will select your company logo. And after that, you will select your default printer. After that, you will see at the right side caption setting button. It means from here you can customize caption as per your need. For example, if you want in the place of patient, it shows client. Then you may type here client and click on save button. So in this way you can change caption according to your requirement. For now we set this again patient and click on save button. Then cancel it and then again click on save button. Now next OPD management process is Miscellaneous Master. As you click on Miscellaneous Master, then you will see under Miscellaneous Master, first option is Degree Master. Click on it. And here you will specify the degree of doctor. For example, we enter MBBS and click on Save button. Then again click on Save button. After that, if you want to add another degree name, for that click on Add button and then specify the degree name, like we enter MD and then click on Save button. Then again click on Save button. Next, if you want to edit degree name, for that you will simply click on Edit button. And if you want to delete the degree, for that you will simply click on Delete button. Now we click on Exit button. Now next is Specialization. Click on it. And here you will specify specialization name. For example, we enter Heart Specialist. Then click on Save button and again click on Save button. Similarly, if you want to edit the specialization, for that you will simply click on Edit button, and to delete you will simply click on Delete button. And if you want to create another specialization, so simply you will click on Add button. So now next is Facility Available. Click on it. And here you will specify treatment name. For example, we enter ECG. Then click on Save button. Now again click on Save button. Similarly, if you want to add another treatment, so you will simply click on Add New Treatment button and then enter here new treatment name, like we enter X-ray. Then click on Save button and again click on Save button. Next is subcategory. And here you will specify subcategory like that you perform CT scan of brain or full body. For example, we enter full body and then click on Save button. Similarly, we select X-ray from this list, and in subcategory you will specify that you perform X-ray of leg, hand or whatever. For example, we enter hand and then click on Save button. So in this way you can specify subcategory. Next is facility available option. Means here you will specify that at present all of these facilities are available or not. If all of these facilities are available, then you will select treatment name one by one and put check mark here and then save it. But suppose any facility is unavailable. For example, if CT scan machine is not working properly or shut down for some time, then keep this checkbox unchecked. But for now we put check mark here and then save it. Next is total charges. And here you can define total charges of treatment. For example, we enter 2500 for CT scan, then save it. 300 for X-ray, and 450 for ECG. So in this way, in the treatment master window, you can specify treatment name, subcategory, facility available, and total charges. Now after miscellaneous master, next OPD management process is doctor master. And in this window, you will specify the details of doctor. Now in the first field, you will enter doctor name, then date of birth, date of joining, local address, degree and specialization, salary and commission, email ID, and then consult fee. After that, you will enter shift details of your doctor. Click on shift details button. And now here you can see it opens shift details of doctor window. And here you can define that your doctor is available on which days and at what time. For example, this doctor has one shift on Sunday at 3 to 5. Similarly, this doctor is available in 3 shifts on Monday. So in this way you can set shift details of doctor. Now click on save button. And now here you can see shift details has been shown here. After that, if you want to set the picture of doctor, click on simply picture button and select the picture that you want. Now we simply click on save button to save doctor details. Now after creating doctor master, we move on to duty schedule process. And in this window you will enter date according to duty schedule which you want to set. And you can set duty schedule maximum for 1 week. For example, we set duty schedule from 17 January 2015 to 23rd January 2015. Then click on show button. As you click on show button, then it will show you the duty schedule of doctor from 17 January to 23rd January. You can see here. And now here you will specify the availability of doctor in shifts. For example, if doctor available in all shifts, for this you will click on this select all checkbox. But in case if doctor is not available in any shift, then you will simply uncheck that checkbox. Now suppose here you can see Dr. Rohan Singh has 2 shifts on Saturday. You can see here. But if he is not available in 4 to 6 shift on Saturday, then you will simply uncheck this checkbox. But for now we put check mark here and then save it. Now after this we move on to duty schedule report. And here you can enter date range for which you want to view the duty schedule report. And you can also view this duty schedule report in GUI and Excel. For now we click on view button to view print preview. And then select the doctor whom schedule you want to view. And now here you can view the duty schedule of selected doctor. You can see here. Next we move on to patient master. And here you will feed details for the patient who comes in your hospital or clinic. Now in the first field you will enter patient name like we enter Karan Sharma. Then date of registration, that when patient wants appointment. Then address. ID number which is auto generated by software. Then you can specify age, telephone number, mobile number, or you can set the picture of your patient. After this you will click on new appointment button and then feed the appointment details like appointment date. Then select doctor name for which you are giving appointment to patient. Then select time of appointment which you are giving to patient. Then select payment mode, in which mode your patient is giving payment, like we select cash. After this you can specify primary symptoms. Suppose your patient has fever, then you can enter fever. And then click on OK button. And now you can see appointment is ready. Next we move on to appointment details. First of all, let's understand the process of appointment. As you know, when any patient comes, then firstly he or she approaches to reception, and after noticing patient symptoms, receptionist fix the appointment with doctor, or they ask about the doctor to whom they want to meet, and the receptionist fix the appointment accordingly. So first you will enter date here and then click on show button. And now you can see the shifts of the doctor. After viewing the availability of doctor, you can simply provide the appointment to patient. After this, if you want to add new patient, for that, simply click on add new patient button and then click on yes button. And now here you can enter patient details, like we enter patient name, address, mobile number, gender, and then registration date. Now click on OK button, then click on yes button. As you click on yes button, it opens appointment details window and then enter appointment details like patient name, doctor name, time preferred, payment mode, and then primary symptoms. And then click on OK button. And now here you can see it has been added new patient details. After that, if you want to edit appointment, for that you will simply click on edit appointment button. And if you want to cancel any appointment, you will simply click on this checkbox. For now, we uncheck this and then click on save button. Now after taking an appointment, patient goes to doctor for checkup. Then doctor gives prescription to a patient. For this, you will click on prescription process and click on show button. As you click on show button, it opens prescription process window. For example, doctor generate a prescription for patient Raman. For this, click on edit button. As you click on edit button, then it enables the remarks field. And here doctor can type prescription like bed rest, don't take spicy food, etc. Then, in the medicine field, doctor will select medicine which they want to prescribe to their patient. Then in the remarks field, doctor can specify remarks that how many times does patient need to take medicine in a day. After this, next field is test. And from here, doctor can select test that they want to prescribe to their patient. After selecting test, it will automatically pick up the specified charge for test. And now click on save button. Now after taking prescription, patient goes to reception, and at reception, patient receipt is printed. And after that, patient makes payment at reception. For receipt printing, click on receipt printing button. Then enter date and click on show button. And now from here you will select patient whom details you want to print. Like we select this one. And after this, if you want to print duplicate copy, click on this checkbox. For now, we leave this unchecked and then select the printer. And now click on display button. And now here you can see receipt has been generated. Similarly, if you want to view prescription report, click on prescription report button. Then enter date, the date on which you want to see prescription, and click on view button. And now from here you will select patient name whom you want to view prescription report, and then press enter key. And now here you can see the prescription report of selected patient. Next, you can also view doctor-wise appointment, enter date. Then you can select format according to your need, and then click on view button. Then select doctor whom appointment report you want to view. And now here you can see the doctor-wise appointment report. Next, if you want to view daily collection report, click on daily collection report button. Then enter date. And after this you will select nature of fee, appointment, test charge or both. For now we select appointment and then click on view button. And now you can see it has been generated the daily collection report. Similarly, if you want to view facility charges report, click on it. Then you will select facility name. If you want to view only selected facility charges, click on select. But if you want to view all facility charges, for this you will click on all button. For now we click on select button and then click on view button. Now from here you will select facility name, that charges you want to view, and then press enter key. And now here you can see it has been generated facility charges report. You can see here. So friends, this was the process of OPD management, and as we have discussed earlier, you can customize OPD dynamically in other trades like gym, spa, saloon, etc. So in this way you can use OPD in Marg software. Thank you.